Hey guys, my name is Mackenzie and today I'm going to be doing the world's smallest room tour. I don't actually know if this is the smallest room tour, but I am telling you that I could almost lay down and touch both walls. It is really small, so I am going to be calling this the world's smallest room tour. I hope you guys are really excited. I'm really excited. I've spent a lot of time trying to make this room more space efficient and I think it looks really good. I'm really excited to show you, so let's get into the video. I have a giant mirror right here that just is great for like checking the outfit. It makes the room feel a lot bigger as well. And then moving on, I have this leaning shelf that me and my boyfriend made. It holds all of my shoes and my Crocs. And then that one is like a side table, so I put drinks if I have them, food if I decide I want to have food in my room. And then up here I just have some like random metal things, my Gucci box and belt, and then my camera with my extra lens. And I really like how this turned out. This definitely was probably our biggest transformation thing, but yeah, I really like it. And moving over here, I just have my bed. I have just my purses right there, this little shelf, and then like some hair barrettes, medicine, and then here's my bed, just two of my pillows, my Dumbo pillow pet, and then just my bedspread. Oh, that's looking funky. Gotta do that pan over. Much better. And then over here is my window, so it just like looks out to the side yard. And I have some plants right there, and then my necklaces hang right there. Now I'm going to jump on my bed and show you my favorite part of my room probably, which is this area. So because this room is so small, there was no like place to put a TV or a table to hold a TV, but there was a tiny gap in between my bed frame and the wall. So me and my boyfriend took the measurements and created this table, and I just have my TV on there, and I have my Roku remote and my actual remote, and then I have my CD right there of what I'm watching. So right now I'm rewatching the Castle series. And then I thought of this idea and I wanted to put all of my like shirts right here, so I stuffed my clothing rack into the bed frame cracks where there was room, and then just attached it. So now I keep like clothes that I wear a lot during the summer, although right now since it's quarantine I don't wear all that much. But yeah, I really like how this looks, and it hides the TV, which I think looks really nice, and I think it's just really like space efficient. So moving up here, I have this shelf that me and my boyfriend made again. It looks unlevel because the wall is at a slight incline, but it is indeed level. So on this shelf, I have my undergarments in that bucket, my swimsuits in that bucket because I live on a lake and I need a lot. I have all of my thrift flips that I still need to finish right here. I have a pair of shorts, there's usually more, and then I have my jeans. And then we're gonna move right here. I have all of my china right here. I love vintage plates. I think they look so cool. And at my wedding, I want to actually have everyone have like a different vintage plate. So I've been collecting, and I'm also moving into an apartment this school year, so just for like me and my roommates. So I have that on this like old, is it like a fruit box or produce box? I have my money jar, and then all of my episodes of Castle CDs. The only one I'm missing is the 5th. My 6th is right there. Moving on to the last spot is just this chair. This beautiful, beautiful chair that I found at a garage sale for 20 bucks. I think it's absolutely beautiful. It's like this velvet mauve color and it looks so, I love it. Down here I have all of my Depop stuff. Okay guys, I hope you liked it. That was probably the quickest and the smallest room tour ever on YouTube. I don't have the facts to back that up, but I think it's pretty close. I hope you guys really liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about how I made things or where I got something, I didn't go that too in depth just because I don't know. And last but not least, if you would like, I am trying to grow my channel, so if you want to hit that red subscribe button down there to know when I upload and to just see the videos in your subscription box, that would be really awesome. I'd appreciate it a lot. I hope you guys are safe, happy. I hope you guys are having a really good summer, even though obviously there are restrictions on it. And if you're stuck indoors like I am, then redo your room. I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye!